Many of our customers, particularly those in dense urban areas, understand the difficulty in finding a legal parking spot. An over-the-air software update will be going out to vehicles that allows Model S to automatically detect the presence of a meter maid or law enforcement officer. If Model S detects an imminent ticket, it will deploy countermeasures to deter the ticket writer. The windshield wipers and washers will be activated, deterring the ticket writer. In the event that the ticket issuer persists, Model S will enter ticket avoidance mode. In ticket avoidance mode, the vehicle will autonomously drive in circles around the block until the ticket issuing threat is no longer detected. If the threat of a ticket has passed, the vehicle will park in its original parking spot. Otherwise, it will continue to drive around the block. A message will be pushed via the mobile app alerting the user that ticket avoidance mode has been activated and Model S is on the move. The autonomous driving summon feature will automatically be activated in ticket avoidance mode, and Model S will come and pick you up. With parking ticket deterrence and ticket avoidance mode, Model S has you covered. Long forgotten will be the days of parking tickets, or, as we like to call them, receipts for premium parking.